Hey friends, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some interesting IKEA products that I purchased very recently. Now this first product is a beautiful pink colored storage crate. I would rather say it's pretty huge in size, and it has wheels at the bottom of the crate which helps in easy movement, like it can be brought in and pushed and pulled from any corner, so it makes things a little easier for you, which can be used as a multi-purpose box. Now, if you want a lid for this, you have to buy it separately, which costs you around 80 rupees. I'm basically using this in my kitchen to keep my extra groceries, which helps me pull from this cupboard very easily. It helps in easy accessing, especially the heavy groceries that I keep in this. I basically found this product to be extremely useful, especially if you have large things to store. And the second time I visited, it was not even available. So if you want to buy them, I think you can check online on their stores. And yes, this is not a promotional video, it is just a haul video. Okay, now coming to the second product, it is again a multi-purpose box which doesn't come with a lid. You have to buy it separately if you want to, and you can easily stack it one on top of another if you're buying the lid. And if you're not using it, you can easily store it like this. And I've used it basically to keep my artificial jewelry. I've organized it in my dressing unit, and this one also I've used for the same purpose, but this comes with a lid and it is extremely strong. Quality of this box is really good. It has a lock system. The lid easily gets locked and it doesn't get opened that easily, so you can keep any heavy and nice fragile any items that are very delicate and fragile, maybe you can keep in this box. Now this box is again used for storage, but here you have a problem. The base is not that flat, so to keep any item which is suppose like oil and other things, it's difficult to keep in them. Yes, you can keep small maybe clothing items like handkerchiefs and socks and other stuff. Okay, now every time I go to IKEA, I end up buying frames because I don't know, I just find them extremely beautiful, and definitely serves my purpose because I keep doing my artworks, so I can frame them and keep it easily. Now this storage box, unlike the other one, is quite sturdy and it's good in quality. In fact, one of them I've kept in the kitchen to keep some of my masalas, and the other one I've given it to my daughter. She has organized it in her own way. But yes, this is a nice product. I recommend you all to buy this. Now this one is a simple toothbrush holder which comes with a self-adhesive which gets stuck on a tile, the wall in the bathrooms, so it can be easily used, and we have been using it from the time we purchased it 2 months back or so, and it is really going good. It comes with those drain holes in the bottom, so the water also gets drained out there. Now every time I go to IKEA, I end up buying some furniture. Last time, if you all have seen the last IKEA haul video, you would have seen I bought a bench, a metal bench for my balcony area, and this time I bought a stool to go with it. Now this comes with a nice screw in the base. Now if at all the this stool doesn't stand steady, you can adjust the screw below, and it's really good. And yes, the prices of all the products that I'm showing is displayed on the screen, and this is how it looks. Now if you want any product code or the link, please mention in the comments. I'll try to provide them. Now this black top is made up of I think polypropylene plastic, and the legs and all the hinges are steel with epoxy I think coating, if I'm getting the words correct from whatever I've read. And okay, now this one is again a foldable chair of the same material that I just mentioned earlier. Now, if you're buying furnitures from IKEA, if there are small items like these, you can probably get it in your own car. But yes, if you're buying bigger items, you have to pay the delivery charges, but they do deliver at your doorstep. These three are my favorite storage boxes because it helps me keep all my art related stuff like small pearls and beads and other things. And it comes with a lid which can be attached. Once you remove the cover, you can attach the lid to the respective boxes. And this one is a funnel that I've bought for my kitchen purposes to basically store grains in the boxes or even for refilling oils. And this one is a simple, easy to go mobile stand. Okay guys, that's it from this haul video. See you all soon in my next video. But yes, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.